Hello guys, hope everyone is doing great. Today I'm going to share some of my reviews about Digital Deepak internship program. Are you ready to join Digital Deepak's internship program without even spending a single penny in 2021? If yes, then continue watching this video. If you're the one who is having an idea to join internship in digital marketing or to learn digital marketing from the scratch, then the digital internship program is the best place for you to learn from the scratch and become a master in it. I would like to start from the beginning of how did I came to know about this internship program? Why did I choose this field of work? What kind of skills you can learn from joining his internship program? Would you be able to join a job by joining the 16-week program? Yeah, I'll be answering these types of questions to you. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Aishwarya Subramanian, a passionate digital marketer. I was a software developer who worked with a product-based company in Chennai. However, my interest in digital marketing made me pursue a career in digital marketing. I came to know about the 16-week program of internship by one of my friends who is also an intern from batch 6. At present, I'm an intern at batch 6 in Pixel Track, which is owned by Digital Deepak. Since I love what I'm doing, I don't see digital marketing as a job, but as my passion. Yeah. So I'll come to this point. Who is Digital Deepak? Digital Deepak is also known as Deepak Kanagaraju in the industry. Is a blogger, speaker, and trainer in the digital marketing field. He hails from Salem, Tamil Nadu. He's an undergraduate specialized in civil engineering. He has more than 10 years of experience in digital marketing and is the co-founder of Pixel Track Digital Private Limited. He blogs about digital marketing at digitaldeepak.com. Yeah. The Digital Deepak internship program reward structures of batch 6 is what I'm going to inform you about now. I'm an intern currently at week 8 of this internship program. He has some protocols for the reward structures to be given to the interns in the name of cashback. The amount you pay in the initial stages would be the given back to you when you start working on the assignments that are taught by Deepak sir. After the end of each and every assignment, their team would verify it and return the cashback amount to your account. If you made an error in your assignments, they would mail you recording the place where you went wrong and gives you time to submit your assignments. Again, in order to gain your cashback, no matter what, they would 100% return your cashback at the end of each and every assignment. Cashback guaranteed is a key system of a Digital Deepak internship program. So if you're the one who is really worried about the return of cashback, you can trust Digital Deepak. He's a man of his words. Trust him, join his internship program, be a master in digital marketing. Yeah, these are the 16-week internship program structure. And week 1 is all about success mindset. And in that, he would give us an assignment. You would write an article about where you would be in 5 years from now. By writing this, you would set a goal for yourself and you'll start working knowing your destination. Week 2 is about fundamental marketings. And in week 2 assignment, you would be writing an article regarding your niche in which you would be able to know how to write an article using medium.com or in your own blog. And then you need to publish it. At the end of this week 2, you will have a clear knowledge about how to write a perfect article with catchy titles. Week 3 is about discovering your profitable niche 2.0. And this assignment is all about identifying your customer avatar to get a feedback of yourself. You need to create a Google form in which you need to ask questions regarding your selected niche to your friends and family. The worksheet has major 3 sections that would be overlapping with our passion, talent, and market opportunities. To pick one niche and to start researching on it to get more clarity, to describe the market positioning, we would be clear in our niche by week 3 and have a huge clarity about who is our customer avatar by creating a Google form. Week 4 is about creating your WordPress blog, and in week 4 you will have a blog too like others. I was enjoying doing this assignment, one of the best assignments ever. You will be able to get the entire details of how to create a website from where you need to buy your domain name like namecheap.com, Upwork.com and GoDaddy.com, and where to buy your hosting service is the best according to me. Don't forget to buy SSL to your website. This process is completely optional. It's up to you. However, buying a SSL in the first initial stage can make your website to look complete. And week 5 is all about becoming the king of content. In week 5, we need to create an overall mind map for the topic we are going to take a recording of. The mind map creation is like a flowchart to write an algorithm. This mind map would give you detailed knowledge of what should be done, how to do, and when to do it, the kind of a structure. Once the creation of a mind map, you need to take a video of the content you prepared to shoot a video of. We need to upload a video on our YouTube channel as well as our blog or website. Then we need to attach the URL of a video on the website and the URL of the YouTube video in the assignment worksheet for further clarification. We need to create a editorial calendar content, creation of a master's blueprint, and the content empire blueprint has to be done. Week 6 is all about social media and networking master. In week 6, we need to conduct a meeting with at least 3 live participants on Zoom. We can get a free account at Zoom. We need to choose a particular topic, invite attendees, and do a presentation with the content for at least 15 minutes, followed by a discussion. On the topic you have presented, this week's assignment would show you are the power of live and interaction with an audience. We need to record the meeting and then upload the meeting on a YouTube. If you feel uncomfortable making the video public, make it as an unlisted video. We need to create our first tribe on WhatsApp or Telegram group, or else we can create it on Facebook group too. Once after the creation of the group, we need to add at least 3 members in our group to form our tribe. We can also invite people directly from the webinar into the tribe. I enjoyed doing this session as we have to conduct a meeting live with attendees who is going to watch us and with our prepared content. Week 7 is all about lead generation and email marketing. This week is one of the most powerful weeks according to me. It's because you are going to get a dream job of yours. If you are a student or freshers, if you are going to get a client, if you are a freelancer, your dream come true moments would be definitely waiting for you to cherish it. Using a tool, we need to send some automated emails to the founders, co-founders asking for a job opportunity. And week 8 is about mastering Facebook ads. I'm currently yet to start my week 8 video. I'll update once I started working on it. And week 9 is all about mastering Google Ads. 10 is about search engine optimization. Week 11 is about deep marketing. Week 12 is about sales and conversations. And you have 4 bonus weeks. Week 1 represents a personal branding and dream job. Bonus week 2 is all about affiliate marketing. Bonus week 3 is about digital freelancing, and bonus week 4 is about digital mentoring. Who can join digital internship program? Anybody can join. Literally anybody can join if you're really in hunger to learn digital marketing and to become a master in it. Anyone with interest in this field of work is most recommendable to join this internship program. No matter who you are, if you are a student, you're most welcome here to join in the 16-week internship program by Digital Deepak. You will be a master in it if you start working practically. If you are a freelancer, you won't get a chance like this anywhere. This is once in a blue moon kind of an opportunity available to you. So don't miss the chance of getting enrolled in your name. Thank you.